Hello, my beautiful brothers and sisters. If you're hearing this, it is not by mistake. God is with you, overseeing every facet, every hair on your head. He cares about you so much, and you are not alone. Simply call to him, Jesus, I need you. I need you. Just talk to him. Prayer is a conversation, and he's there, right next to you, even as we speak. This is from Colossians 3, starting at verse 1. Since you have been raised to new life with Christ, set your sights on the realities of heaven, where Christ sits in the place of honor at God's right hand. Think about the things of heaven, not the things of earth. 1 Peter 13. And we're going to go through a couple verses. So prepare your minds for action and exercise self-control. Put all your hopes in gracious salvation that will come to you when Jesus Christ is revealed to the world. So you must live as God's obedient children. Don't slip back into your old ways of living to satisfy your own desires. You didn't know any better then, but you must be holy in everything you do, just as God, who chose you, is holy. For the scripture says, you must be holy because I am holy.